Welcome to GetonAgain CAD online lessons. Today is teach you make suit. Set the size table. Click it to load the Excel table. Select the unit here. Use the pen tool. Press left mouse button and move mouse. Double-click the left mouse button. Move the mouse on the point. Click the Enter key on the keyboard. Draw a horizontal line. Left-click on the line. Draw the chest line. Left-click on the line to draw waist line. Left-click on the line to draw shoulder line. Draw a vertical line. Left-click on the line, confirm the shoulder line and neck width. Draw a vertex line. Draw neck line. Use the Y tool at division points. Left-click first point. Right-click change point or line. Click number 3 on the keyboard. Left-click the end point. Use this to replace point. Left-click to points. Pen to modify the line. Right-click on the line. Left-click to modify. Left-click on the blank area to end. Move the mouse on the point and click Enter. Draw vertical line. Use it to record line length. Left-click point line point. Ticket. Left-click record. Change the name. Draw the front neck width and depth. Move mouse on the line. Pressing left button and move mouse to add parallel line. Record the back shoulder. Use pen tool. Move mouse on the point. Pressing left button to the line. Release the left button. Confirm the front width. Click F9 on the keyboard. Left-click to draw vertical line. Again. Add division points. This line is divided into 3 parts. This line 2 parts. Draw armhole lines. Replace points and modify lines. Use it to modify the armhole shape. Do not tick it. Left-click to armhole lines, then right-click. Left-click these two lines and right-click. Modify lines. Again. Click to shoulder lines. Thanks for watching.